Hello guys, this is Shiradip once again. Welcome to my channel Programming Basic. In the last video, we have learned how to create the Kotlin files and also we have learned how to declare the main function. We have also written hello world inside the main function. In this video, we're gonna learn about how to declare the variables and assign some value into it. Now let's start. I will declare one var and I will give the var name as name and I will give Ramaswamy as the variable. I'll try to print that and let's see what's get printed. So ideally it should print Ramaswamy. Yes. Now what is the keyword called var? In Kotlin we use var as a variable and you give the variable name. There is an assignment operator which is equal to and you give the value of the variable. Here the Ramaswamy is written under quotes, which is a string type variable. We are trying to print the name variable inside the println statement and it's printed Ramaswamy. Now what we can do is we can reassign some different value into the name and it will work as well. Let us try that. Now I have given the name as Shwamratan and I am trying to print the name once more. So the variable will be reassigned to Shwamratan. I can also assign an empty string to this name and try to print that. So you can assign an empty string to name as well and it will print a one blank line. Now there are few utility functions as well inside the string utilities which is pre-built in the Kotlin libraries. Unlike in Java where you need to explicitly write whether a particular string is empty or non-nullable or you need to write some different functions to achieve that. But in Kotlin there are a lot of pre-built function which is already available inside the library. We will use one of them. We will write println and we will check name dot is empty. So there are three functions: is empty, is not empty and is null or empty. We will use the first function is empty. We will try to run this and we'll check it is printing true because the name is empty. This is it for this video. We'll see you in next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.